Is this thing on?
Yeah. Yo. Always been different. Yes. I find more peace in the things that you don't. Let me tell you something about my life. About my life. About my life. Let me tell you something about my life. About my life. About my life. Let me tell you something about my life. About my life. About my life. The way in the world's different, I think. Every time I step out to get a drink, niggas fist fighting the bars full of dudes. I don't care what it was, it still ain't a school. Yeah, gotta get some progress. Do with the program, homeboy, some hot sex. At the end of the night, I see some hot sex, and I know just what it was. The shit gets tight. I be feeling all far away. My brain be feeling down the drain. And I don't be fucking blasting, but I give it to any nigga who just had it. Yeah, been looking for a little pain. Just try and drop it, get a little time. If you can't understand that, then there's no reason for you to be speaking my name. Let me tell you about my life. Let me tell you something about my life. Let me tell you about my life. Let me tell you niggas something about my life. Let me tell you about my life. Let me tell you niggas about my life. Yeah, yeah. I had a boy, yeah. I had a girl, yeah. Something about my life. I pay my bills, yeah. I pay my notes, yeah. About my life. Yeah. Let me tell you something about my life. Yeah. In goes out, out goes in. Parking that's filled lot by a bunch of niggas who don't care about dropping one man. Taking 3 steps, put the nigga in the bag, take the nigga next. Yes, I don't care what it was, I just know what I have. And I could pull it out, make 2 doubts, or I just make a fucking water drought. Hit the bank, hit the water. What's good, homeboy? I'm about to slaughter. I'm taking out anything, making something disappear. Had to give this shit some flames. Burn this shit down, no marking. Homeboy, it's not your territory. I know you's an artist, but shit ain't very noise. It ain't care, I don't care, it's very scary. Yeah, you making it, care what it was and taking it. Your boys done have me up on faking shit. It's only little terms, little worms, little things to go up in your purse, and things that come out of it. To go pop and sit, use my female, you know you got to get that email. Check the nigga the same day. Scar fractures in the sanctuary is where it happens. Oh, I just know what I know that is where the boy had the clap, where he lay there. Homeboy, this in fact, it's not A here, it's not no drain here. Man, all you can do is go up. I'm trying to tell these young niggas what the fuck I brought in, and tell these niggas that shit is about to go down. Guess I don't care, I'm still blowing it up. And then I'm just gonna put all my little niggas on the prowl. All my little niggas on the ground, facing, cause they got the 5 badge in their faces. Yep, I just know a lot. If it don't sound right, then go to the spot. You don't like listening to me, you know that you're not. And then just turn me off. But if niggas seeing it, make some room. Fuck what it was, motherfucker, send your ass to doom. Let me tell you about my life. About my life. Yeah, about my life.